Yes, you're watching a Canva video, not a cooking show, but today we're talking about something connected to cooking, recipes, and how Canva can immortalize them so your loved ones can enjoy the taste of home for generations to come. I hope you're hungry. Hi, I'm Enza, lead at Canva Design School. I really love food. I mean, my blood type is basically my 95-year-old nonna's pasta sauce. So when you're born into a family where everything revolves around your next meal, it's really hard not to love eating those nostalgic special meals. But what about those family recipes that live secretly in nonna's head? I think it's about time I have them live somewhere so I can continue traditions and pass them on to my daughters. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create recipe cards that take minutes to make but will connect your family for generations through the joy of cooking and eating together. But first, let's get our fill of Canva goodness. Have you subscribed to our channel? We'll upload design tips and tricks every week. It's where you'll hear about our latest updates and get all the know-how and inspiration you need to be a Canva expert. Hit subscribe and the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Alright, time to whip up an amazing recipe card. Let's start with our card size. Standard recipe cards are usually 4 by 6 inches, A6 size or about as big as a postcard. Traditional sizes are about 3 by 5 inches. Now that's pretty small, but then there's an oversized version too, which is 5 by 7. So consider the size of the box, file or folder where you'll keep your cards. I'll go for an oversized, just like how I like my pasta. Now for inspiration, let's look at some templates. Wow, a buffet of 300 plus templates, all waiting to be customized. For our first card, I want to capture that classic family heirloom feel. Some have spaces where you can write, creating that personal handwritten touch. That can make a card even more special. Right, I'm going to create a card that celebrates my nonna's Sunday lunch ragu pasta sauce, her most famous recipe, and one that previously has only lived in her head. I'm going to get it printed, then give it out to the family. Maybe we could have a cook-off and nonna could be the judge. This is the template I've chosen. I'll personalise this by changing the background. Edit the text by double-clicking on it. We'll adjust the placement by just dragging the text around a little bit. I want to add some ingredients. I'll do a search in the Element tab for them. Ooh, I like these ones. See more like this here. You're free to make this as simple or as complicated as you want. You can add a space for other stuff like notes, yield, cook time, and prep time. It's really up to you. Let me show you how to print it. Download by clicking here. Choose PDF print. It's a larger file size, but gives you a better product. A file downloads to your desktop, which you can send to your printer. Or use Canva Print to have high-quality prints delivered to your doorstep. Now in most places, there isn't going to be a recipe card print size, so instead I'll choose portrait invitations. This will give me access to deluxe paper, which is our 350 GSM card. Sturdy and strong. Future generations will thank you for it. I'll also make it gloss, to withstand any rogue splashes of spaghetti sauce. In the preview, you'll see that there's also a backside. That gives me an idea. This recipe holds a special place in my heart, specifically about being in the kitchen with Nonna, so I'll add a memory in the back. Maybe that'll spark a memory for other family members. I'll add a background like this. Copy and paste the type from the front. Add in the new text. I might put a photo of her here. Maybe some extra elements around the image. Objects that remind me of her being in the kitchen. Okay, back to the print menu. Check the preview. Yep, that's looking good. Choose the quantity. I need about 10, and as you can see, the price drops considerably the more you get. Hit continue, and I'm done. These will be turning up in just over a week, ready to be handed out at our next family gathering. And I can actually imagine a whole series of these, one for Zil Tony's pizza dough or Dear Rosa's ricotta cake. In fact, this could be a whole cookbook. And if you want me to show you how to create that, then let me know in the comments. Wow, now I'm getting really hungry. But what about family members that aren't close by? Well, we could make and send some digital versions. To create one, let's go back to our templates. This time, I want to create something detailed, modern, and fun. This one fits the recipe I've in mind, my mum's specialty, Neapolitan donuts. She makes the best melt-in-your-mouth kind of donuts I can't even explain. But this is kind of a family secret I'm sharing with you, so on one hand, I don't want to tell you, I don't want to tell anyone, but I'd also love for you to share this video. So here's the deal. You share your family's best recipe in the comments too, and then we're even. Let's play with the colours. I think I'll try changing the background. And let's edit the text. So, according to Mama, the secret to the best donuts is adding cinnamon to the sugar. So I'll add a note about that. You can use your food pictures, or you can go to Elements and search for a photo or graphic of the dish that you need. You know what you could do? Use background remover. Check this out. Isn't that great? It means I can use them on the edges, kind of like this. All right, now let's add a few more elements to make this even prettier. Okay, I'm loving this. To share, I need to go here and just add in Mum's email. I'll just give her commenting privileges, just to see if I've missed anything or if there's anything she'd like to add. I'm sure there will be. And then, when she's happy, I can share a view-only link to share this recipe with my family and close friends wherever they're in the world. This is what it will look like when they click the link. Maybe they might like to use this as a template and add their own recipes. This will give them their own document, all completely customisable. Yes, friends, that's Canva, connecting families and fulfilling midnight cravings worldwide. Now you're ready to make your own recipe cards, and wow, I am famished. Thankfully, it's nearly lunchtime. What are we having for lunch? I'm excited to see your recipe ideas below, so share your family favourites in the comments. And if you have any questions, just ask there too. Oh, hello. Still not satiated with that full meal of Canva knowledge? Well then, have a dessert. Or better yet, access the full banquet with our playlists. We've got lots of tutorials conducted by design experts to properly fuel your design hunger. Here's one I think you'll like. It goes pretty well with the food theme we have going on. Buon appetito!